Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore CANGGU area on Batu Majan Street and Nelayan Street at the end of August 2021. Okay guys, keep stay in touch and check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Pantai Batu Majan Street in CANGGU. As we know together, CANGGU is very famous for the tourists international. So that's why in this area, still a lot of tourists from other country, even the pandemic corona. You see this area, there is still a lot of tourists walk around and driving on motorbike. And if you see together, how the weather today is very beautiful. I mean very clear, very sunny. Okay guys, now we are in Batu Majan CANGGU Street. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. You see the tourists on motorbike? This driving motorbike looks so fun. And if you see the weather, it's very beautiful. I mean it's very clear, very sunny. And you can see the right side, left side, there is a lot of rice field. CANGGU is very nice place to stay because around this area still a lot of the rice field, and also they have a lot of bar and hotels. So that's why it's more nature to stay here. And also in CANGGU area there is have some beautiful beach and black sand beach. It's very beautiful there. Okay, now we try to see how look like the condition in shortcut from Brawa Street until to the Eco Beach. Okay guys, at the front I will turn right because I want to explore Nelayan Street and shortcut from Eco Beach to Brawa Beach. Yeah, now we are in Nelayan Street. This street we call Nelayan Beach. It's meant like fishing village beach because at the end of the street there is a fishing village. But today I will not explore that beach. You see the front left side, there is the village temple. And if you see this area is more green, isn't it? It's very beautiful. You see at the front, there is a cafe and tourists there. Okay, now return left and we will see how like the condition, a shortcut. You see the tourists left side, they walk around. As I told you, in CANGGU area is very famous about the tourists because in this area, even the pandemic corona, still there's a lot of tourists stay here. And you see on the left side, there is a rice field. It's very green around here, it's very beautiful. And you see the tourists on motorbike, there is a lot of tourists driving motorbike here. In CANGGU area, there is a lot of tourists rental motorbike and then they driving by themselves. So to rent motorbike here is very easy. You just go to the hotels and asking to the lobby, they will have a rental motorbike. Also on the sidewalk, on the street, there's a lot of rental there. You see, right side, there's a lot of tourists on motorbike. Tourists also. I love to see that actually, it's very beautiful. You see the right side at the front, there is a restaurant. A lot of motorbike parking there. For rent motorbike, it's around $4 until $5 per day. On the pen, if you rental for longer, the price will be lowered down. You see this area? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now we turn right and this is the shortcut from Brawa Street until to the Eco Beach. And this area look green and very beautiful. This road is very small. One way for the car and two way for motorbike because it's very small road. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in CANGGU area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali on August 2021. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.